Do you feel stuck in your 9-to-5 job and still broke? It's not your 9-to-5 job that keeps you stuck, it's the money traps you keep falling into. These financial mistakes drain your paycheck, chain you to the 9-to-5 job trap, and make escaping the 9-to-5 rat race feel impossible. Today, I'll break down the biggest personal finance mistakes to avoid and the money habits keeping you poor. And stay until the end, because I'll share a bonus trap that even smart people overlook. Quick story. A few years ago, I was stuck in the same cycle. I earned good money, but I felt broke at the end of every month. Then I discovered these exact traps. Once I escaped them, my savings grew, opportunities opened, and I started my own freedom journey outside the 9-to-5. And I've seen this work for others too. Clients and friends who cut these habits. And within months, they had more financial breathing room than ever before. If it worked for us, it can work for you too. Here's the problem. Schools never taught us money management. So we copy what we see, like spending habits, lifestyle choices, and financial mistakes passed down for generations. That's why most people work harder year after year, but never feel richer. They are unknowingly trapped. But once you can see these money traps clearly, you can start making different choices. And that's what separates the free from the stuck. All right, now let's break down the 5 biggest money traps that keep people stuck in the 9-to-5 cycle. As I go through each one, pay close attention, because chances are you'll recognize at least one of these traps in your own life. Trap number 1, lifestyle creep. Every time your income goes up, so do your expenses. New job, you get a bigger apartment. Promotion, you buy a nicer car. And before you know it, every peso is spoken for. Lifestyle creep keeps you stuck because no matter how much you earn, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Instead of upgrading every time, lock in your lifestyle for a while and funnel the extra income into investments, debt repayment, or a freedom fund. Trap number 2, bad debt cycles. The second trap is relying on debt to fund your lifestyle. Credit cards, personal loans, even buy now, pay later apps. These create an illusion of wealth while secretly chaining you down with interest. I've met people making 6 figures but drowning in payments because they never learned how to use debt wisely. Here's the shift. Use credit strategically, only for rewards or emergencies, and aggressively pay off high-interest debt. Remember, the bank profits every time you swipe, not you. By the way, if you want to dive deeper into smart credit card hacks, check out our previous video on the channel after this one. It's packed with tips that banks don't want you to know. Trap number 3, living without a financial plan. The third trap is drifting through life without a financial roadmap. Too many people hope things will work out someday, but someday never comes without a plan. This is one of the most common money management mistakes. A financial plan doesn't need to be complicated. Just ask, how much do I want saved in 5 years? How will I invest? What's my exit from the 9-to-5 rat race? Without clarity, your money decisions are random. With clarity, every peso has a mission, and that mission is your freedom. Trap number 4. The comfort trap. The 9 to 5 feels safe because it gives steady paychecks. But that comfort becomes a cage. People stay in jobs they hate, avoiding risk, because they fear losing security. This is what creates the broke mindset. Settling for comfort now instead of building real wealth for later. But here's the truth. The only real security is in skills, savings, and systems that make money for you. Comfort today can mean regret tomorrow. Start building side income streams, learning in-demand skills, and stacking assets that give you options. And if you need ideas, we've made a separate video about side hustles that actually work. Check it out after this one. Trap number 5. Ignoring financial education. Most people know more about their favorite celebrity than about compound interest, taxes, or investments. And that ignorance is expensive. Small mistakes, like not knowing how to invest, not understanding fees, or avoiding insurance, cost thousands over time. This is where toxic money habits sneak in. Relying on luck instead of learning, or treating money as something to spend, not manage. The good news? Learning money skills today is easier than ever. Books, podcasts, YouTube. You don't need a finance degree, just curiosity and consistency. Here's the bonus trap. Thinking more money will automatically solve everything. Truth is, without changing your habits, more money just makes the mistakes bigger. I've seen people double their income, but they double their spending too. This is the classic scarcity mindset versus abundance mindset issue. Scarcity says, if I only made more, I'd be fine. Abundance says, I can make the most of what I already have and multiply it. Wealth is not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Escape this trap, and you'll start seeing progress no matter what your salary is. And speaking of progress, in our next video, I'll share exactly how I'd start investing if I were broke in my 30s. That's coming very soon, so stay tuned. So here's your homework. Write down which of these traps you're caught in right now. Then, choose just one small change to break free this month. Maybe it's cutting lifestyle creep by saving your next raise. Or maybe it's paying off one credit card. The point is, action is what breaks chains, not just awareness. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Trap 1. Lifestyle creep or lifestyle inflation. Trap 2. Bad debt cycles. Trap 3. Living without a financial plan. Trap 4. The comfort trap. And Trap 5. Ignoring financial education. If you spotted yourself in any of these, that's actually a good thing. Awareness is the first step to breaking free. If this video opened your eyes, drop a comment below with the trap you're working on escaping. I'd love to hear your story. Also, I've put together a free guide called 10 Money Moves to Break Free from the 9 to 5. Email freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line Money Traps, and we'll send it straight to you. It's packed with simple, practical steps to accelerate your freedom journey. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video like this.